Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on peanut. Peanuts are a type of nut that grows underground. They are also known as ground nuts or earth nuts. Peanuts are a tasty and healthy snack that many kids love. They are full of protein which helps our bodies grow strong. Peanut butter is made from peanuts and is delicious on sandwiches. You can find peanuts in many treats like cookies and candy bars. Peanuts come in shells that you can crack open to eat the nuts inside. Some people have allergies to peanuts, so they need to be careful. Peanuts can be roasted, boiled, or eaten raw. They are used to make oil, flour, and even used in some sauces. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.